Hi guys, my name is Roger. Welcome to a new video, hardware only. Hardware from the late 80s, 90s and early 2000s. And in this case, yes, the SP-808. I'm going to show you something with the CF card reader which I have from the Akai MPC 2000 XL. Yeah, that's the name. It's crazy video, but I want to show you how amazing this unit now has become due to the Compact Flash reader, because I have never had the error, the zip drive error with this working. Yeah, you know that that typical error. So you will see a very messy video, but just to show you that this one works. I will use also the old program, the WAV-converter, and let's dive into it and you will see it. Okay, guys, let's take a look. Here we go. So this is the SP-808 with the Compact Flash reader installed from the blue Akai MPC 1000 XL. So this is the working Compact Flash reader, and normally I use 512 MB Compact Flash cards, but in this case I'm going to use this Compact Flash card which contains an SD card. Works very cool. So I'm going to show you now something. I'm going to use the old program for the SP-808, the WAV-converter, and then I can put WAV files on this SD card, load them into my SP-808 and then play with them. And I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to use my Mac and then I will use Wine. Wine is not an emulator, but it's a program which starts Windows software with Mac. So I don't start up any Windows in my Mac, but I'm using Wine, and that will start an X file, like in this case the converter program, the old one. So let's prepare something. So I will insert it and I will turn the power on. I will format this SD card and then I'm going to create a simple sample without any noise, because that is necessary for the program, for the converter program, to know that there is a card or a CF card, or how it originally was meant to be, a zip disk, that it's there. Something strange, but it does have to know that. So okay, it's now started up. I will format, enter, erase all data, yes. Funny thing is also that this is 1 GB SD card and this is a 512 MB. For the amount of sampling time there's no difference, because the SP-808 cannot handle more than 2 hours and 30 minutes of sampling time, which in my opinion is enough, more than enough. But anyway, okay, it's done. Now I will create a simple sample. So sampling, I will start sampling, I will stop it now. So we got over here the sample. Now I have to save the state as it is in. I press Shift, save, overwrite all, yes. It's saving now. It says completed. Okay, let's do a test. We see this light blinking. I turn the power off and I will turn it on again. We start up and I want to make sure that this sample is in there for the program. And then we take a look at the program. And then later we're going to listen to the samples with the SP-808. Wait a moment. Sample is here. So we can go to the computer now. Let's go. So I will insert now the SD card into an SD card reader. And we see over here appearing the SP-808 TS25E, in this case two folders. Now I'm going to start up the SP-808 Wave, and you can see it's an exit, so it's for Windows, but with Wine I'm able to start the program. So here we are. Then I'm going to search for the zip drive, which is in this case the SD card reader. And I think it's an E. Yes, it's E, and then we see over here the empty sample. Now I can load samples over here. So I press for example this button and then I press this one. And let me load some wave samples which I've created with my MV-8000, 8800. I'm going to open it. It's loading. Wave. Open. Open. Let me do some more. 90 BPM. This one. 90. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Let me check if I have some samples over here. These tracks are those WAV files. Yeah. Let's give it a try. Okay, then over here another one. Great. More. I'm satisfied. So I will stop this. I will end this program. I will eject these files. Or these folders, the SD card, eject them safely. So let's go to the SP-808. I will insert the SD card, I will turn the power on, and if I've done it right, then all the samples will appear over here. Wait a moment. And here they are. The samples I've just created, well, I've just loaded into the onto the SD card with the old program and wine. Let's take a listen. So this one is an empty one, there's no sound, but this. Correct, that's a complete song. Let me turn on pad to track, and I'm going to adjust also the samples, the parameters. I want to have them, because it says now 25 BPM over here. Let me focus on that one. So. Some quick adjustments. 25 BPM. But this sample has, in this case, not 4 measures, but it has 16. Okay. I want to have it looped. Same for this one, loop. This one also, loop. I'm going to change them all to loop. Then I'm going to adjust all the BPMs, all the measures, 16. And this one, what's this? Ah, it's my background music, yeah. And this one has, I guess around 100 measures. Okay, I'm playing too much, But this is a complete song. A complete song on an SD card. Okay. I'm going to adjust the effects. I want to have a delay effect. The delay is over an easy delay. Okay, yes, easy delay. I'm going to adjust the easy delay. I want to have a tempo synced over here. Then I'm going to adjust also the FX location to send return. Track to pad mode is on. Okay, let's turn the effects on. So if I'm right now, okay. Now I'm going to adjust also the tempo map. Tempo map of this sample is 100 to have the delay tempo synced. Okay, I'm playing too much. Guys, this is amazing. This is cool. Let me show you something else, because we all know the error we have with a zip disk. For sure you've never been able to do this. Without having this error. And I'm going to show you the following. It will sound very ugly, but just to show it that the compact flash card is amazing. So I do a step recording, shift step recording. I want to have it on track A. Then I do... No, I don't want to have this. I want to have it short, very short. Let me do that again. Step over here. It's creating a phrase. It will sound very ugly, but just to show it that it will never come to disk error, to the you see? Let me do another one over here. Shift, step recording. Now also with this one. Okay. No error! Sounds ugly, but there's no error! Okay guys. See you next time.